Hey there, it's Mickey. Summer is here, and it's time to get that beach body ready. Today, I'm going to show you a fun and effective workout to flatten your stomach. Let's go!
First, let's warm up our muscles. We'll start with some jumping jacks for a minute. This will get our blood flowing and prepare our bodies for the workout. Warming up is crucial to avoid injuries and improve performance. Jumping jacks help increase your heart rate and loosen up your muscles. Let's start with standing oblique crunches. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, hands behind your head. Bring your right knee up towards your right elbow, then switch sides. Let's do 15 reps on each side. Standing oblique crunches target the sides of your waist and help define your oblique muscles. This move also engages your core and improves balance. Next, we're doing plank with leg lifts. Get into a plank position and lift your right leg, hold for a second, then switch to your left leg. Keep alternating for 30 seconds. Plank with leg lifts enhances core stability and engages your lower abs. It also works your glutes and improves overall body strength. Now grab a small weight or a water bottle for twists. Sit on the mat, lean back slightly, lift your feet off the ground, and twist your torso side to side. Let's go for 30 seconds. Twists with a weight add resistance, making the exercise more effective. They target your obliques and help tighten your waistline. Lie down on the mat for flutter kicks. Lift your legs slightly off the ground and kick them up and down in a scissor-like motion. Keep going for 30 seconds. Flutter kicks are excellent for targeting the lower abs. They help build strength and definition in the lower abdominal area. Let's spice things up with bicycle crunches and a twist. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and bring your knees towards your chest. Alternate touching each elbow to the opposite knee, and add a twist by extending your legs fully. Let's do this for 30 seconds. This variation of bicycle crunches increases the intensity and engages your entire core. It helps burn more calories and improves muscle tone. Great job, everyone! Let's cool down with some gentle stretches. Sit down and reach for your toes, stretching out those abs and legs. Cooling down helps your muscles recover and reduces soreness. Stretching after a workout improves flexibility and keeps your muscles healthy.
That was a good workout. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, keep working. Bye!